The fifth step of the infection control cycle is known as the portal of entry. The portal of entry refers to the way an infection enters the body. Let's take a deeper look. Let's revisit George from our earlier example. He has natural weak points where microorganisms can invade. These include the respiratory system by inhaling pathogens through the nose or mouth, the digestive tract by consuming contaminated food or drinks, the mucous membranes such as the eyes, nose, and mouth, which provide a direct route for microbes, broken skin, which is normally a strong barrier but becomes an open door for infection when injured through cuts, wounds, or surgical incisions. Your skin is one of the most effective defenses against pathogens. However, when compromised, it leaves the body vulnerable to infection. How can we prevent microorganisms from entering the body? Hand hygiene. Regular hand washing with soap and water removes potential pathogens before they can enter your body. Personal protective equipment, abbreviated PPE. Wearing gloves, masks, and gowns adds an extra barrier against infections, especially in healthcare settings. Proper wound care is important to minimize the spread of infection. Make sure that you wash the wound with soap and water or other proper cleansing solution to remove dirt and bacteria. You can also use an antibiotic cream to help reduce infection risk. Cover the wound and change the dressing regularly. This will keep a barrier between the wound and any microorganisms that may want to get into the body. And always check for signs of infection, such as redness, swelling, warmth, pus, a strong odor to the pus, and increasing pain and fever. Avoid touching the face. Since mucous membranes are a common entry point, minimizing face touching reduces exposure to germs. Vaccination. Some infections can be prevented through immunization, strengthening the body's defense system. Preventing pathogens from entering the body through these portals is key to reducing the risk of infection and maintaining overall health.